everyone, I go by the name Skyrot. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Presently I'm teaching people on how to make money on ClickBank, and so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyrot@gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you.
Good evening. I go by the name Skyrot. If you can see this video, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to make money online. Yes, making money from home is what everyone wants, and that is why you are watching this video right now, because in this video I'll be showing you how I am making up to $600, $700, $500 daily on ClickBank affiliate marketing. Yes, as you all know, the affiliate marketing is just selling products for a company and getting commission for each product to sell. And the higher the price of the product to sell, the higher your commission, and the more product to sell, the higher your commission also. So there are different ways and methods by which you can boost your commission. One of it is that you need a strong traffic system, which means you need a strong traffic system, people that are going to be accessing your affiliate link or product online. Yes, and there are two major ways by which you can get people to access your affiliate product or link online. You have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. Yes, the paid traffic system is a method by which you pay a digital platform like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube to create adverts for your product and to create adverts for people that are accessing or using the platform. For instance, when you are browsing, you can see pop-up of adverts on your Facebook page that say check out this product, see this product. That is a paid traffic system. Also, there's a free traffic system, which is where I'm coming. Yes, I have a software which I'll be using to get these excellent results that you can see on the screen. Yes, my software works by gathering more than 2,000 organic traffic daily and promoting your affiliate product or link to this organic traffic to get commission. And with my software, you are going to be earning daily, like the one you can see on the screen. This is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course and has been earning beautiful results like the one you can see on the screen. Yes, from $500, $400, $700, $600 on a daily basis. Yes, because the promotion system is very effective and reliable. Yes, so getting my software is going to be coming with a video course. And my video course will guide you step by step on how to use the software to get sales on any of your affiliate marketing platform. Yes, because my software is not only applicable to ClickBank alone, but it is also applicable to other affiliate marketing platforms because they use similar method to promote their products. So to get my software and video course now and start earning big like the results you can see on the screen, you can just contact me on my Gmail at skyrot@gmail.com or text my Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyrot@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen now to start earning big like the one you can see on the screen. So contact me now and get my software and video course. Also, if you are getting my software and video course, I'm going to be guiding you, though my video course is self-explanatory and it will guide you step by step. But if you need any help, I'm going to be helping you, and I'm going to be creating an account for you because there are some countries that have restriction on opening ClickBank account. Not minding your country, there's a way I go with that. I'm going to be creating a ClickBank account for you and make sure you start earning immediately after getting the software and video course. Once again, I go by the name Skyrot. I can just contact me on my Gmail at skyrot@gmail.com or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen now to start earning and start making money from home. Thank you.